Matagal nang nabibiktima ng matinding bashing ang kapuso actress na si Kylene Alcantara, pero mas pinipili niyang magpaka-positive sa bawat laban ng kanyang buhay. Aware ang dalaga sa mga pambabatikos at pangnenegya sa kanya ng mga haters sa social media, kabilang na riyan ang pakikialam sa kanyang personal life. Nagbukas ng kanyang saloobin si Kylene tungkol sa mga pinagdaraanan niya sa April 2025 edition ng Cosmopolitan Philippines, na may titulong It's Hot Girl Summer for Kylene Alcantara, but she's keeping her cool. Aminado ang dalaga na hindi madali para sa kanya ang pagharap sa mga challenges na dumarating sa kanya. I just protect my peace. There are days when you cannot just silence the noise, it's drowning. But you cannot just sing, you need to focus again and float above the surface by listening to the voices that matter to you, ang pahayag ni Kylene na kontrobersyal ngayon dahil sa breakup nila ni Kobe Paras. I've been bashed for the things that I did not say or do, or because I decided to upgrade myself, or just because I tried too hard. But I was judged already before I even opened my mouth, so I'd rather have my small circle know my truth, than be open in public and still be judged and bashed for it, katwiran pa niya. Pagpapatuloy pa niya sa naturang panayam, kahit anong sabihin niyo sa akin, it's okay as long as my intentions are clear. I know my truth. And I know that my truth is the truth. You may have your own side of the story, but my truth is the truth, say pa niya. Feeling ni Kylene, wala siyang dapat ipaliwanag sa publiko, I really don't have to explain myself. You can say whatever you want about me, as long as alam ni God, alam ng Panginoong Diyos kung ano talaga nasa puso ko. Kung ano talaga yung nangyari. I am comfortable with that. I can sleep peacefully at night with that. I can live with that, aniya pa. Sa comment section naman, tila galit na galit ang mga netizens kay Kylene Alcantara. Sabi ng ilan, masama talaga umano ang ugali ni Kylene. Mukhang si Kylene raw ang may problema sa pag-uugali. Matatanda ang nagkaroon din ng hidwaan noon sina Kylene at Carmina Villarroel, matapos maghiwalay sina Mavi Legaspi at Kylene.